Welcome to the Ethics Unit 7 exam review. Be sure to know the following terms. 1. Positive punishment. 2. Negative punishment. 3. Lorenzo Anello. 4. Calogero C. Anello. 5. Pluralistic society. 6. Positive reinforcement. 7. Negative reinforcement. 8. Authoritative parents. 9. Responding. 10. Pluralistic society. 11. Neglectful parents. 12. Sects. 13. Self-consciousness. 14. Mesosystem. 15. Exosystem. 16. Psychodynamic theory. 17. Microsystem. 18. Behavior learning theory. 19. Love. 20. Evolved primate theory. Short answer, 20 points each. 1. Be familiar with the stimulus-response change as we talked about in the notes. 2. Explain the 4 ways we talked about people engaging in sex. Affection, commitment, and responsibility. Affection, commitment, but without responsibility. Affection, but no commitment. Without affection. 3. Choose one of the topics from the Pam Stenzel video that ties in with one of the topics we talked about in class, dating, STDs, ECT. Compare the views in the video to the views we talked about in class. 4. Briefly describe how the children of authoritarian parents behave. 5. Would straight-out honesty have avoided the conflicts presented in the film, between both Sarah and Hitch as well as Albert and Allegra? Should Hitch have explained his profession to Sarah from the start? Is it possible to be too honest in a relationship? How much should we share when trying to get to know someone? 6. What do you think about the quote, "Life is not measured by the number of breaths we take, but by the moments that take our breath away"? 7. In the end we see Hitch close up shop due to the scandal. Everyone had an eye-opening experience and really sees what love is. How does Hitch's view on relationships change at the end of the film? 8. Identify in the movie the different parenting styles we see from both Sonny and C's dad. Be sure to find at least 2 and explain your answer. 9. Describe the character of Lorenzo. How would you describe him during the early years of C's life contrasted with the later years of C's life? Would you describe him as a man of faith? Why or why not? What were his principles about life and how one should live? List examples. 10. Brancato readily admits using drugs. What effect do you think this had on his life? Do you feel he neglected the gifts that God gave him? Essay. In class we looked at different types of parenting styles. For this essay please answer and describe the following. What type of parenting style best describes how you were raised? How do you feel the parenting style you were raised with affected your development? Do you feel this was the best way for you to be raised, or do you feel you would have done better under a different parenting style?